Halloween wasn't always about candy and costumes. What began as an ancient harvest ritual has become one of the most profitable marketing seasons of the year, worth more than $10 billion in US consumer spending. Over 2,000 years ago, the Celts celebrated Samhain, a festival marking the end of harvest and the beginning of winter. They believed it was the one night a year when spirits could cross into the living world. When Christianity spread, Samhain became All Hallows' Eve, or Halloween. In early America, these traditions blended with fall harvest gatherings, more about community than commerce. By the late 1800s, Halloween was changing. It became less about fear and more about fun. Neighborhood parties, games, and costumes. Marketers noticed the shift. Halloween wasn't just a night for folklore anymore. It was becoming a national social event with commercial potential. In the 1930s, trick-or-treating took off across American neighborhoods. Candy companies saw their opening. They promoted individually wrapped treats as the safe choice for kids, a message that still shapes the candy aisle today. By the 1950s, brands like Hershey's and Mars were building ad campaigns around Halloween, turning one evening into a billion-dollar opportunity. At the same time, costume manufacturers realized they could sell the fantasy. Mass production made costumes affordable, and Hollywood-inspired characters, from Superman to Frankenstein, dominated sales. Halloween wasn't just about candy anymore. It was about identity, imagination, and retail. By the 1970s and 80s, horror films gave Halloween its marketing superpower. Movies like Halloween and Friday the 13th turned October into scary movie season. TV networks followed with themed specials, commercials, and limited promotions. Suddenly, Halloween wasn't a day. It was a full-on marketing season. Today, Halloween is a $10 billion industry. Spirit Halloween alone opens more than 1,500 pop-up stores each year. Social media fuels the hype, from DIY costume tutorials to influencer decor hauls. And the first pumpkin spice latte now signals the start of Halloween season. Brands have mastered turning nostalgia, fear, and fun into consistent seasonal revenue. So why does Halloween marketing work so well? It hits every psychological trigger. Emotion. People love nostalgia and playful fear. Scarcity. Limited time products drive urgency. Community. Halloween is inherently social. And adaptability. It keeps evolving with each new generation and platform. The lesson for marketers? Build your campaigns around emotion, not just your product. Make your brand part of shared seasonal rituals. Use urgency to your advantage. People love a limited time moment and never stop evolving. Culture moves fast, and Halloween proves that staying relevant means staying flexible. Halloween's story isn't just about ghosts and goblins. It's about great marketing. And if you're ready to write the next chapter for your brand, Faster Solutions can help.